Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the channel where automotive passion meets precision reviews and expert insights. We bring you in-depth coverage of the world's most exciting vehicles, from daily drivers to exotic machines. In this video, we're turning our attention to the stunning 2026 Lexus LC, a luxury grand tour that blends breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance into one elegant package. Whether you're a longtime Lexus enthusiast or someone seeking a high-end coupe with a perfect balance of performance and comfort, the 2026 LC continues to stand out in its segment. The 2026 Lexus LC carries forward its dramatic and unmistakable design language. From the sculpted lines to the aggressive spindle grille and sleek LED headlamps, the LC continues to be one of the most visually striking vehicles in the luxury coupe class. For 2026, Lexus has introduced subtle refinements to the exterior, including updated lighting elements, redesigned alloy wheels, and a new color palette that further enhances the car's exotic flair. The low-slung stance, long hood, and wide rear track remain, contributing to a commanding presence on the road and superb aerodynamic performance. Step inside the LC and you're immediately met with a cabin that showcases meticulous craftsmanship and a focus on driver-centered luxury. Lexus has always prioritized interior quality, and the 2026 model takes it up another notch with new material options, improved seating comfort, and a more intuitive layout. The cabin features leather and Alcantara surfaces, brushed aluminum trim, and hand-stitched accents that reflect Japanese Takumi artisan standards. The cockpit wraps around the driver, with high-mounted controls and a low-set instrument panel that enhances visibility and reinforces the performance-oriented nature of the car. The infotainment system has received a significant update. The 2026 LC now features a larger 14-inch touchscreen with an improved interface that is more responsive and user-friendly. Lexus has finally moved away from the touchpad controller, responding to feedback from previous models. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with built-in navigation and voice command features that integrate seamlessly with the car's onboard systems. A premium Mark Levinson audio system is available, offering crystal-clear sound that complements the serenity of the cabin, whether you're cruising the highway or enjoying a spirited drive. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LC continues to offer two distinct powertrains. The LC 500 is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers around 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers crisp, responsive shifts. Acceleration from 0 to 60 happens in about 4.4 seconds, and the V8's rich, throaty exhaust note is a key part of the car's emotional appeal. For those seeking a more efficient alternative, the LC 500h hybrid variant combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a multi-stage hybrid system, producing around 354 total system horsepower. While the hybrid offers slightly less outright performance, it excels in smoothness, fuel efficiency, and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for long-distance touring. The 2026 LC also benefits from enhancements to its chassis and suspension systems. Lexus engineers have fine-tuned the adaptive variable suspension to deliver better ride comfort and sharper handling. Whether gliding over uneven roads or carving through twisty backroads, the LC feels composed, planted, and responsive. Steering feedback has been improved as well, offering better communication with the road while maintaining the luxurious feel expected from a grand tourer. Rear-wheel drive remains standard, but performance-focused versions benefit from limited slip differentials and performance brakes that add to the LC's confidence-inspiring dynamics. One of the hallmarks of the Lexus LC has always been its balance between performance and everyday usability. Despite its sporty design and coupe format, the LC offers a smooth and refined driving experience even in heavy traffic or during long commutes. Sound insulation has been improved for 2026, resulting in a quieter cabin, and the suspension adjustments contribute to a more comfortable ride without sacrificing agility. This duality is what makes the LC such a compelling option. It delivers excitement when you want it and serenity when you don't. Safety and driver assist technologies are well represented in the 2026 LC. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and pre-collision braking. The Lexus Safety System Plus has been upgraded to include better pedestrian detection and more responsive emergency steering assist. These technologies work quietly in the background, enhancing driver confidence without being overly intrusive. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and automated parking assistance are also available, adding convenience to urban and tight parking scenarios. In terms of practicality, the LC remains more of a luxury statement than a utilitarian vehicle. The rear seats are best suited for occasional use or extra luggage, and the trunk space is modest at best. However, these compromises are expected in this category and are offset by the LC's many strengths in comfort, design, and performance. For 2026, Lexus has also made improvements to cabin storage and usability, with redesigned cup holders and additional USB-C ports for charging devices. Trim levels for the 2026 LC include the standard LC 500, the hybrid LC 500h, and special editions that feature unique color schemes, wheels, and exclusive interior finishes. Lexus is expected to release a limited production performance package version with track-tuned suspension and lighter materials for those looking for an even sharper driving experience. Pricing remains premium but competitive when compared to other luxury coupes in its class, especially given the level of craftsmanship and features on offer. Ultimately, the 2026 Lexus LC remains one of the most desirable luxury coupes on the market. It combines exhilarating performance with unparalleled refinement and style, staying true to Lexus's mission of delivering comfort, innovation, and precision engineering. With its updated technology, improved driving dynamics, and timeless design, the LC continues to be a top choice for those who want more than just a fast car, they want an experience. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth review of the 2026 Lexus LC here on Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated with the latest car reviews, tech breakdowns, and all things automotive, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. There's plenty more coming your way, and you won't want to miss it.